The Porsche Taycan is celebrating its US premiere at the Los Angeles Auto Show. The all-electric four-door sports sedan offers the performance and connectivity expected of a Porsche, with everyday usability. Highly advanced production methods and the Taycan's capabilities are setting new standards in the fields of sustainability and digitalization. Taking center stage on the Porsche stand will be the new Taycan 4s, which now becomes the starting point of a range that has until now only consisted of the Taycan Turbo and Taycan Turbo S. With its clean, authentic design, the Taycan signals the beginning of a new era. At the same time, it retains the unmistakable Porsche design DNA. From the front, it looks particularly low and wide with highly contoured wings. The silhouette is shaped by the sporty roofline sloping downward to the rear. The highly sculpted side sections are also characteristic. The sleek cabin, the drawn-in rear D-pillar and the pronounced shoulders of the wings result in a sharply emphasized rear that is typical of the brand. There are also innovative elements such as the glass effect Porsche logo, which is integrated in the continuous light bar at the rear. The cockpit also signals the start of a new era with its clear structure and completely new architecture. The freestanding, curved instrument cluster forms the highest point on the dashboard. A central 10.9-inch infotainment display and an optional passenger display are combined to form an integrated glass band in a black panel look. Porsche uses a centrally networked control system for the Taycan chassis. The integrated Porsche 4D chassis control analyses and synchronizes all chassis systems in real time. The Taycan 4's features adaptive air suspension with 3-chamber technology, including Porsche Active Suspension Management electronic damper control as standard. It is also equipped as standard with red-painted 6-piston aluminum monoblock fixed caliper brakes at the front and 4-piston aluminum calipers at the rear. The internally vented cast iron brake discs have a diameter of 360 mm at the front and 358 mm at the rear. Following the Taycan Turbo S and Taycan Turbo, the Taycan 4s is the new starting point of the electric lineup. A single-layer performance battery with a capacity of 79.2 kWh is fitted as standard, while the 2-layer performance battery plus 93.4 kWh from the Taycan Turbo S and Taycan Turbo is available as an option. Power output and range therefore vary correspondingly. The standard Taycan 4s generates up to 522 horsepower with overboost power, and when equipped with the Performance Battery Plus, it can deliver up to 562 horsepower. Both variants of the Taycan 4s accelerate to 60 miles per hour in 3.8 seconds. Top track speed is also 155 miles per hour in both cases, with EPA range estimates to be announced in the future for both Performance Battery and Performance Battery Plus configurations. Maximum charging power is 225 kilowatts, Performance Battery, and 270 kilowatts, Performance Battery Plus. Breathtaking acceleration, sports car's traction and outstanding continuously available power, the Taycan's strengths also apply to the Force. The permanently excited synchronous motor on the rear axle has an active length of 130 mm, 80 mm shorter than that in the Taycan Turbo S and Taycan Turbo. With motors on the front and rear axles to facilitate all-wheel drive, as well as a 2-speed transmission on the rear axle, the drive architecture of the Force comprises the same main technical highlights as its siblings. This also applies to the car's intelligent charging management and impressive aerodynamics. With a CD value from 0.22, the aerodynamics make a significant contribution to low energy consumption and boost range.